Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter K mode exception not handled error, then watch this video for the solutions. Now the first thing we need to do is disable fast startup. For that we'll click on the Windows and the R button and we will enter the line power cfg .cpl and we'll press enter, and then we'll click on choose what the power buttons do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable, and then we will make sure that this turn on fast startup box is checked off. Now once that is done, you can click on save changes and then move on to the next step, that is to update the device drivers. So go to device manager and we need to update as many drivers as possible, because these drivers, usually the conflict of these drivers cause this K mode error to show up. So we'll right click and update as many drivers as we can for all the devices, and we'll do that for the audio inputs, we'll do that for the Bluetooth drivers. For this, like for example, I'm using a Bluetooth mouse, so I'll update the driver here, and I will do that for my cameras, my keyboards, the mice, the network adapters, and the most important is we need to update the display driver. So 90% of the time this display driver is the one that causes this error to show up, K mode error. So right click on this, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers, and then restart the computer by clicking on the start button, clicking on the power button, and then clicking on restart. If this doesn't work, there's another method you can download the relevant driver, and that is you need to go to the driver manufacturer of the manufacturer of the graphics card site. So I have a AMD Radeon, as you have seen in the device manager. So I'll go to AMD graphics driver and I'll try to download the installer. So you can see here Windows 10 11 drivers. So click on this and you need to run a Windows 11 or Windows 10 64-bit 1809 and later. Alright, we'll open the file and then we'll right click on it, click on run as administrator, and you'll see now just click on install, and now it will extract the files that need to be installed. All right, and then it will check your PC's driver for compatibility, and it will recommend you the best driver to install for your device. Now this will take time, so we'll move on to the next step, that is to test the RAM. Now so mostly after you update the graphics card driver, this K mode error should disappear, but in the 5% event that it doesn't, then you need to test your RAM. For that you'll click on the Windows and the R key simultaneously, and you'll enter the command mdsched and you'll press enter. Now this is a memory diagnostic check, so you'll click on restart now and check for problems. This will shut down the computer, check your RAM, and then it will restart the computer again. Now if this too doesn't work and you still get the K mode error, exception error, then you need to contact a hardware technician, because maybe your RAM is failing and you need to replace it, and then your computer should work and this error should no longer show. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.